So the lesson in Unit 4 has enough information really that you can complete it on your own. But let me show you a way to quickly create the file that the assignment is asking for. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my GitHub page, my Summer 21. I've already created some things here. I'm going to create a new folder called UNIT04. And I'm going to create a new file that will be called stockvariables.html. That's the name of the sample. And I'll just copy that so I don't have to type it. And I'm going to add a file and create a new file. Since I said I'm going to be working on Unit 4, I'm going to create the new folder, Unit04, and slash, I typed in a 3. Well, that's good because now I can show you that if I just press the backspace, it'll allow me to delete that. 04 slash, and I'll paste Control V as in Victor, stockvariables.html. That's the file that you'll be turning in the assignment. To create it, in the video I show you the process of clicking the template and then downloading it. If you right click instead of just clicking and select Open Link in New Tab, you'll see this blank page. It's blank because it's mostly a JavaScript file. So I'm going to right click anywhere in the white area, say to view the page source, and now I have this display of the code that's in there. I can do this one of two ways. I can either select it all like that, or I can press Control A as in Apple to select all, and then press Control C as in copy to copy. Command A, Command C on your Macintosh. So now I have copied this. I can go back to my GitHub file that I just created, stockvariables.html. I'll press Control V as in Vector again to paste this time. If you want, there's an extra space at the top here. I'm just going to delete that line. Now this file is the template that you need for the assignment. In the video that corresponds to this assignment, I show you how to do all this, and then I show you how to create a simple variable. I'm going to do that here. I know that I can go in the template to the part where the script almost ends. That's at the end of line 10. I'm going to press enter. Do it a couple of times here. This is where the code's going to go. Now this is just sample code. You're going to go and actually use the you're going to create your own variables, multiple variables that represent the stock prices. So I'm just going to show you though what's in the sample. You go ahead and do your Microsoft, Google, Amazon, whatever, and then display them and assign the value to the variable that you want to display. So just to follow the sample, I'm going to say let my variable equal, and I'll just, I don't know, I'll make it 25 and semicolon to end the line. Press enter to go to the next one, and then what? Did I skip a step? Nope, I didn't. It's let variable, my variable be 25. You could have also, I think I'm getting confused because in the lesson, which I need to go and check again, you can declare the variable at first by just saying that let my variable and then semicolon. That just declares the variable. Later, I'm not going to need to let my variable be anything. I'll just say my variable is 25. I'll scroll below to the other script at the end of line 26, press enter a couple of times, and this is where I will display my information. I'll say the document dot write open parentheses and then double quotes, and just start to type in the name of your stock. In this case, I don't have a stock, I have a my variable. I'll just say that my variable, and I'll use spaces and some inside quotes, colon, and then space, close the quote, concatenate with the plus sign, and then let's see, what can I do here? I can say my variable dot to fixed with the capital F, and then fix the two spaces. I should go back and say that my variable, rather being just 25, can be 25.30. And finish my thought, my variable dot to fixed, and fix it to 2. I'll say plus, concatenate a line to go to the next line. In this case, it's HTML, so it's going to be open bracket, BR, short for break, slash, and close the bracket, and then close the quote, close the parentheses, and close the line with a semicolon. I'm going to commit the new file. So now I'm going to have a create stock variables.html inside of UNIT04 in my summer 21 folder. I know that that file lives on UNIT4. It's called stock variables.html. Just to save me the typing, I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go into another tab, and I already have my page bookmarked. It's my username.github.io/summer21. I'll press Ctrl V as in paste, and I'll get the rest of it there. UNIT04 stock variables.html. I'll right click to see the view of the page source, and I think I may have an error in what I typed here. I let my variable be declared. My variable is equal to 25.30, and then document write my variable plus my variable dot to fixed 2 plus br slash and the code there. And what seems to be happening, I see it here, my variable is with a capital M, and I declared it with a lowercase m. So let me close this. I can keep this one open, but I'll go back to my code and edit it. See where the error is. My variable here should be lowercase, my variable, and it now matches my variable up here. I'll commit the changes. I'll give it a few seconds, and hopefully that will load. At some point, if I need to pause, I'll pause. Let me view my page source, and that looks like it may be ready. It's not yet. My variable is still capital down there, and that changed. So just giving it enough time, I'll reload, and now my variable shows me 25.30. The to fixed helped us with the .30, otherwise we'd get 25.3. So I'll view the page source again. Now your assignment is to go and find some stocks that you can declare variables, and then give them the value that they correspond to, and then write the script at the bottom that lists your stocks in the web page.